What can eTop technology do for manufacturing? The reality is a lot. So we can sit in the middle, we can manage your other vendors, your technology, manage your WMS, manage all the servers, handle the help desk. Need your firewall managed? That's something we do. Where we really can add a lot of benefit is from all the people that we know that can help you run your business more effectively. Are you building a new warehouse? Great. We'll scope it out. We'll get the cable plans drawn, and we'll make sure that somebody gets that done for you. Are you needing faster internet? Great. We'll source that for you. Do you just need somebody to call when your Outlook's not working? Guess what? We have a fantastic team that does that just to take care of you. We really benefit manufacturing because of the people that we know and how we take care of our other manufacturing clients. It brings a lot of knowledge to bear in helping fix your problems when you're dealing with wireless in your warehouse, scan guns, label printers, ERP, WMS. You know all the acronyms, but that's what we can do, is help manage those for you, simplify your life. If you have an in-house IT person, great. We can oftentimes provide a lot of extra support for them. Or if they go on vacation, now you're calling us instead of talking to your in-house IT person. And the value that brings is we're already in your network. We already know what's going on. Or if you don't have an IT person and you're using another company, do they have the same experience? Are they able to give you the speed of response and what you need in order to really run your business effectively? Because downtime costs you so much money. Our goal is to keep you from going down, but if you do go down, to bring you up as fast as possible. So I think that's part of what we do to bring value to manufacturing, is skill, experience, and just a really fantastic team of people that we work with.